Toxic and dangerous foods your dog should never eat. Dogs are like family and we love them dearly, which is why it's so important to know what foods to avoid giving them. In this video, I'll be going over the top 5 toxic and dangerous foods that can seriously harm your dog. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about the top 5 toxic and dangerous foods for dogs. Now, as a pet owner, it's important to be aware of these things because sometimes we might not know that a food is harmful to our furry friends. So without further ado, but before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. It can be difficult to know what's safe for your pet to consume and what's not. While the occasional table scrap may seem harmless, there are some everyday foods that can actually be dangerous or even toxic for your dog. It's important to be aware of these potential risks in order to keep your pup happy and healthy. Here are 8 foods you should never feed your pooch. Chocolate. Chocolate contains a stimulant called theobromine, which is incredibly toxic to dogs. Keep away from chocolate no matter how much your pup begs. Grapes and raisins. These small fruits may seem harmless, but they can cause kidney failure in dogs. Keep them far away from Fido's dinner. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic contain sulfoxides, which can be poisonous if ingested by pets. They can also cause anemia in dogs too. Xylitol. This artificial sweetener is often found in sugar-free products like gum and candy, but it's actually toxic to animals, so keep it away from curious pups. Avocado. Although avocados are healthy for humans, their leaves, fruit, and stems contain a toxin that could be fatal for pets, so make sure you don't let Fido take a bite. Raw eggs. Raw eggs contain a bacteria called salmonella, which can make your pup very sick. Cook them up first before offering them any. Dairy products. Milk and other dairy products have high levels of lactose, which many dogs cannot digest properly. This could lead to stomach problems like diarrhea or vomiting. Caffeine. Coffee, tea, and soda all contain caffeine, which is also toxic for dogs. Avoid giving these drinks to your pup as much as possible. Remember, feeding your dog anything other than specially formulated food for pets can create potential health risks, so stick to commercial pet food instead. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers and then watch this video to the left of your screen.